Alright guys, I want to teach you how to plot a survey plan in AutoCAD from beginning to the end. Alright, so you have to follow this video in its series to the end. I think this is just the first in its kind. Alright, so the first thing to do is to launch your AutoCAD and do the unit settings. Alright, so let's just begin. You launch your AutoCAD. In my own case, I'm using AutoCAD 2007. Okay, your own may be 2014, 2018, whichever one you are using, they have similar surface. Okay, so you go to, there are many other settings to be done in AutoCAD, but for plotting a survey plan, I think you just need to understand that just few settings and basic settings. All right, so the major settings in this regard is your unit settings, and that is what we want to do. All right, okay, so but you click on unit. But before we go to the unit settings, let me show you that you can also do your text style here. The format, your text format you want to use. In my own case, you can use Verdana, you can use Arial, you can use Time New Roman. Alright, so let me just leave it to my Verdana, and I've already applied it. Okay, let's say I'm changing to Time New Roman. Okay, I will just apply, I will just close. Okay, so we'll go back to format, point style. Okay, the point I want the point that I want to use, I'm using this right now, and make sure it is set in absolute units. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go to your units proper. Your unit, our length type is in decimal for surveying. Our precision is in .000. Our angle type is in degree, minute, and seconds. Our precision is degree, minute, and seconds. And make sure you tick your clockwise, because the survey plan is always on a clockwise direction. Okay, then your measurement scale, I'm using meters. You can use any other measurement scale as you desire, but meter is the common one that we usually use. So you come to direction, ensure your direction is in a north angle. Okay, so you press your OK. So you have done the first thing. So your surface is properly set for AutoCAD for plotting a survey plan in AutoCAD. Okay, so you are good to go, right?